Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Wednesday, hump day. We made it. We got another Amazon unboxing to do for my good friends over at Aicook. Check them out. The links are going to be down below where you can save some money. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. We got a big old box to show you guys today. And like I said, all the links are going to be down below. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. And what do we have here? Uh-oh. Oops. One more to cut. Oh, Smoothie. Oh boy. Here we go. Nice sized box. I'm running out. There we go. Aicook. It's nice. Boom. There we go. Drop you guys down. Take a look. Here we go. Nice smoothie. I'm gonna do a test run. Make a banana smoothie. There we go. Now let's get inside this thing. See what she looks like. Here we go. Here we go. One more cut. There we go. We got this. We got the manual, the warranty card, all that good stuff. Oh, recipe too. Recipe book. Alright. This is my first attempt at a smoothie. Never made them before. So, try something different out. Summertime coming. Cut down on the soda or the pop. Pepsi and the Mountain Dews. Drink some smoothies. Oh man. Give me a second. There we go. Wait. Oh, yeah. There we go. Put that in the background. What do we have here? Motor. At the bottom. Ooh, sharp blades. Oh boy. There. Top. Let me put this together. Then I'll use a test. See if I could do it. Nice extras it comes with. There we go. And we got power cord. Get that out there. We got container, tumbler, whatever you want to call it. The main part. There we go. And then we go. Oh, it came with the extras. Got this size cup. Let me drop it up. Raise you guys up a little. Drop this down. Sorry about that. Still getting used to this new tripod. But there we go. Yep, there we go. That cup right there. There. Another one of these tall things. Boom. And now the main part. Ooh. There you go, the main course. See the adventures are here. There you go. nice color. Solid. Go. And twiddle this cord. 1 second. Like I said, I'll be doing the second part right after this. Will be the test run on the smoothie. I'm gonna make a banana one today. Ooh. Look at that shine. There we go. Hey, those are some blades right there. That definitely hurt. Don't stick your fingers in it. In case you can't read it. There we go. Yep. Look at those things. Got some teeth. Chop, chop. Definitely cut your pinky off. Here's the inside. Do I need to take anything off? There we go. Got that, got that. Like this. Sure it's locked in. Oh, see. Boom. There's the blades right there. Guess you like this. Not sure how these. Oh. Oh. There's that. I'm going to read the directions, see how this is done. Like I said, I never used one of these machines before, so this should be fun. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to set this up and be right back. Alright, here we go. Got ice in there. Got my banana. Make this really fast. Ice cubes, maybe. There we go. Chop up some bananas. Got the chunks right there. One more in there, be good. Now throw some oranges also. There we go. Couple there. Ooh. Might be a little messy. That should be just good amount. Ooh, that's not good. No chunks. Alright, put the lid back on. Whoops. Actually, this way. Almost cut myself. And lock it in. I forgot to add some milk. Oh boy. And smells good so far. Let me add some milk. Chop it up a little bit better. There we go. Now put the blade down that way. Seal it up. Give it a good shake. And there we go. It's ready to rip. Alright, this is good. Oh yeah. Let me get this open. There's no mess. Look at that. Boom, don't have to worry about too much cleaning. There we go. And get a glass. Go. Tastes pretty good. Alright, YouTubers, be safe and see you later.